Last year, as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, students and staff within TU Dublin faced many and varied challenges. In order to help our students address some of the challenges that they faced, we launched the Student Support Fund, and I'm delighted to say that through the TU Dublin community and alumni networks, we raised more than €30,000. Through the Student Support Fund, we have funded 8 projects that have helped more than 400 students.
Financial assistance is crucial for a significant number of TU Dublin students. This year, thanks to funding from the Student Support Fund, the Financial Aid and Accommodation Service established the Exceptional Circumstances Fund. This fund has enhanced our ability to assist the student population, particularly international students, who are ineligible for traditional funding supports such as the Student Assistance Fund. We hope to continue to offer this financial support in the coming academic year, and funding from the Student Support Fund will be essential in allowing us to do so.
When a student comes to you in a crisis, you're really trying to help them to slow down and see it differently. You're trying to press the pause button. In that pause, you can tell them what support is there for them. It can be financial, it can be counselling, it can be all sorts of things. But just to give them power back over their life, make them feel they're in charge again, is great. So thank you for all the help you've given for the Student Support Fund.
Hello, my name is Linda McQueenie. I'm a lecturer here in Accounting and Finance in TU Dublin, and I'd like to say a big thank you to those who've supported the TU Dublin Student Support Fund. It has been fantastic, and it has allowed us the opportunity to roll out Tenjin technology to first year students, which have helped them to practice accounting questions over and over again. So it has been a great device, particularly during the pandemic, and only for the support that you've given us, we wouldn't be able to do that. So thank you so much for your support today.
Hi, my name is Nikita and I'm a first year accounting and finance student in TU Dublin. Thank you to everyone who donated to the Student Support Fund for giving us access to this technology.
Hi, my name is Dr. Sarah Raw and I'm from the School of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Sciences, and I just want to say thank you to everyone at the Student Support Fund. The funding that you've given me will allow us to pilot a project on the use of digital technology in the lab, and we'll be able to give the students the right devices to support our interactive electronic lab notebooks. This will enhance their learning experience, but we also hope it brings us right into line with industry standard practice.
Hello, my name is Nevin Birmingham and I'm a lecturer in computer science with the TU Dublin. I teach computer coding to Access Foundation students, and a few years ago we launched an initiative called Peer Assisted Learning, where former Access students come back every year to run weekly sessions to help our current year students learn coding and to pass the module. It is with the amazing generosity of the donors and the TU Dublin Foundations we were able to use our funding to bring this initiative into a fully virtual space.
Hi, I'm Paul Gagan, a computer science infrastructure student here in TU Dublin. I'm a second year, almost finished, going on to my third now. I actually took part of the Access Foundation programme between the years of 2018 and 2019. And I actually went to the PAL sessions and I found them really, really helpful. The PAL leaders there were able to really help me out in terms of coding and stuff, especially for me as somebody who's visually impaired. Now that I'm a PAL leader, I can do the same sorts of things for other students.
Although we're now reaching the end of the current phase of the COVID-19 pandemic, and there is definitely light on the horizon, it will be some time before we actually fully emerge from the effects that we are encountering. To that end, I'm asking us all to once again look to see if we can contribute to the Student Support Fund 2021 in order that we can help our students maximise their potential and achieve their long-term goals. I look forward to being able to thank you all once again for your contributions and for the impact that you will have on our student community.
Thank you on the behalf of TU Dublin students. Your support is really appreciated and valued.